In today's gospel, Jesus takes Peter, James, and John up a mountain. In Scripture, a mountain often symbolizes prayer. It is a place where we lift everything to God. Usually, kapag lumalabas sa reading na aakyat si Jesus sa bundok, laging may pangyayari tungkol sa prayer. Laging may pagkakataon na nagdarasal siya. But beyond that, yung mountain is also people experiencing a moment of great encounter with Jesus, or what we call mountaintop experience. On the mountain, great things happen, especially kung kasama mo si Jesus. And we too may have had mountaintop experiences. These experiences can come in different ways. I could be in a mountaintop experience kung ako ay naka-experience ng success, or probably if you have achieved something good in your life. Or probably sa mga estudyante, kung nakapasa ka sa subjects mo at naging maganda yung grades mo. Or kung ikaw ay magulang na nagpapaaral ng anak, kung nakagraduate yung anak mo. Kapag Pasko, kapag bagong taon, kapag birthday mo, or kung meron kang kapamilya na may sakit, gumaling yung kapamilya mo, it could be a good mountaintop experience for you. Or sometimes, it can also be a deep moment of worship and adoration. Receiving Jesus in the Holy Mass, or even yung peace na nararamdaman mo pagkatapos mong magkumpisal. In the moments of all of this, we feel close to God. We feel His presence. At talaga nga namang napakasaya at napakasarap ng pakiramdam. And we wish we could stay there forever. Diba? Sana lagi na lang mountaintop experience. Sana lagi na lang masaya. Sana lagi na lang masarap. Actually, in the gospel, Peter himself expressed his desire when he offered to set up tents and remain on the mountain. But Jesus did not allow it. Why? Because following Jesus is not just about the feel-good moments. It's not only about experiencing joy and comfort. Following Jesus is also about walking with Him through sacrifice and suffering. My dear friends, the Transfiguration was not the final destination. It was a preparation. It was meant to strengthen the disciples for what was to come. The journey to Calvary, the suffering on the cross, and ultimately, the victory of the resurrection. Likewise, our mountaintop experiences are not meant for us to stay there and be comfortable. They're meant to prepare us for the trials and challenges ahead. So when we face difficulties, we remember our encounters with God. Sana sa mga Jesus encounters natin, yung mga encounter na yon ay magsilbing alaala at patunay ng katapatan ng Diyos. Na sa tuwing may matinding problema at pagsubok, ay maaalala natin na ang Diyos ay hindi tayo pinababayaan. May these moments give us strength to embrace our crosses daily, knowing that just as Jesus' suffering led to the resurrection, our struggles will also lead us to victory with Him. Finally, may the Transfiguration change us too. Not just for a moment, but for a lifetime. May it make us people of hope, mission, and transformation, ready to bring Christ into the world, not just in moments of joy, but in every moment of our journey. Have a blessed Lenten season.